Hello, my YouTube family. This na your girl Diamonique in the palace. The girl where they bring una all the sweetest and the best gist where una want them for on top una table. We there for another edition of Let Us Analyze the Matter, my people. Before I want to talk, una not to una run inside house, take a cup of coffee, sip and while I tell una analyze the matter as it day, my people. I know they move one stone on 10. We go talk about everything we don't go on social media for this past week. As una know, your girl is so busy, so I know if you come on camera every day, so I get for come maybe once or twice a week. Hey my people, a lot don't go on. Pikin block mommy block Pikin, they block each other, and some people they crazy, some people they we go talk. Remember I leave some video last week about Sarah Smart. Sarah Smart bring an evidence of say Lady B don't take brand ambassador from take brand ambassador from Diveshela. When I remember this one, see yet Papa God. God, you get the way they don't see them more. Sarah Smart no bring an evidence. Diveshela decide say no one talk about them on Sunday last week. So what's up, my people? How waiting they play, waiting they really play for social media. When I see something white, when I call them white. When I see something black, when I call them black. Big boutiques, I be expect you to talk about this matter well. You and J Brenda. Now my own opinion that I be expect you to analyze this matter well. Una talk and fine. I una not be on one side. That means more analysis no way on one party. Una be careful, be straightforward. But I just can't twist the analysis or una just talk and so. Okay. Ma leave una you big boutique and Jebenda. I see una video them. Sorry, say I no be comment, but I dey watch una and I dey like una videos them. I dey share them. Yes. So Mona make sure say Mona know say me I dey watch una videos them. As for wetin happen on Sunday, still yet Diveshela no bring any proof. Say because if be talk remember for my video what I make some 2 months ago when they call up on Lady B. Lady B, come and talk about this thing. Can't clear the air. Come and clarify this matter. You take brand ambassador or you not take brand ambassador. Lady B, you talk say you want thief the brand ambassador or not. I ask Lady B for my video. Sheila say he gets screenshots and evidence of how when Lady B defied the brand ambassador. Sheila no bring us that screenshot. Sheila no bring us any proof to show say Sarah Smart talk to her about this brand ambassador stuff. I want to talk 2 things. Either Sarah Smart been the lie or Sheila just form on her own because he use his sense. He doesn't say more not talk about number 6 again. He use his wisdom for analyze and say since as Lady B write Sarah Smart, it means say Lady B the jealousy the Sheila for take brand ambassador. Ada una listen to me. Ada Sarah Smart na him be the lie man for this matter. Or Diveshela just form it on her own for can't tell the people. But this one no good now. It no good. How you feel just she done? You think about something. You don't let think I'm on your own. You should don't judge for your house. You carry a waka go your camera. Talk I'm on a live show. Say you get evidence. Now, when they ask about this evidence, none of una no fit bring out the evidence or the proof about them. So now expect me people sit down quiet after una don rubbish Lady B his name. Now question that one get for ask am. Me person no come outside and tell me say so tell Nicole. If I am warning any of you people who will come and write me so tell Nicole the talk about who are you? Now you tell me to Mama Camera. No be now you tell me to Mama Camera. Now me Mama Camera by myself and I know what I want to talk about them for this camera. No be you go tell me waiting for talk or not. I don't analyze and so now so it go be. Now so my own analysis them. If you want to analyze your own, go to your platform and analyze your matter. I don't care. But I don't just talk the truth about this Sarah Smart, Grand Diva and Lady B billionaire. If they don't bring that proof, that means say, as Grand Diva don't bring the proof or evidence of how Lady B ask for brand ambassador, one thing be setting. And that Sarah Smart lie against Lady B for Grand Diva. Second, if Sarah Smart no lie, Grand Diva, he just form am, he just think am, he just use his metabolological brain. Woo! Maybe you not speak so for talk about them. And when this one no fine, how you go do the accused person for no good reason? My people will not overstay for this particular matter. More will jump go for another matter. When he carry me come for this house today, as Lady B and Azela Yoke, yes, now Azela Yoke TV, they do their video. Lady B billionaire and Azela Yoke TV, they do their video. Then now, God will be supposed to talk about the matter. He go talk about the matter on Sunday. Disown everybody. Now that part sweets me pass. How that feel? He disown everybody. He say he no one mother, father, sister. He no just want nobody for social media. Social media, the street of social media now wild streets. My people. So they disown everybody. So they disown the hot people. Disown hot dope Sierra. So they dope Sierra man camera. Hey! Prokoto, blah blah blah. You know be na easy one. Check Sierra, dope Sierra TV. Now go see them. They talk for them. Dope Sierra, wash me Grand Diva. You two again how many views? Let me say, I be very sorry for analyzing particular matter the way they couple with Dope Sierra a video of yesterday about this mother father thing. Hey, my people, I go talk about today. I want give you one example. Everybody know say, Nicole Tower dey motivational speaker. Nah, Kobos be my mother, Kobos be my mother, Kobos be my mother. For Facebook, for the street of social media. Then Brenda, that's Brenda show come be my mother. Now because of Brenda show, I start go say for Diveshela because I cannot have a mother on Facebook without, you understand. So the story coming and say me and Kobos, we can get some small issue. We not really get any issue, but it just vex me because of say maybe I go for Grand Diva platform, you understand, no? And you know like as a mother get for respect and I understand the side. I not go come mount my camera, can't talk say, Kobos report my channel, my people. Kobos channel report my own channel, so they give me strike. And I see what the punishment of strike. But I not call insult Kobos, just that part where she call me her daughter for her videos. If they still give me that respect to respect Kobos. I'm not going to talk anyhow about Kobos when it concerns Kobos matter. I'm not talk her insult kobos because I once called her mother. Mo will face reality. Mother and daughter relationship, when your mama for house do you something, una go insult una self or maybe una go exchange small words, but that respect go still be. You understand? When you no go to take am far because that part say na my mother is still there your blood. You don't understand? So far as Diveshela expose you as a daughter for the whole social media, and you to accept them, and you come for your camera talk say you no go ever talk about this particular Diveshela. You just get forgive and that respect, and make the respect always be. You don't understand me now? I know the question I know the question your videos at all, and I need to tell you how for block for your channel, but I do want try for more understanding. Say Nikita, so now you understand me now. Say when you get your mommy, where you get her na your mommy, you know say this one na your mommy. Your mommy bat you go cover ye rapper. Your mommy they go empty last for market, now you go cover your mother rapper for market. Your mommy insult person, the person beat your mommy. No, you know don't beat your mommy, say your mommy don't go insult person. Even as you say for your heart, you know say your mommy be wrong. But since as that person beats your mommy, you vex, you go beat or retaliate back. That is what they call mother-daughter relationship. Tope Siara, you go too far. I was not expecting this. I be sorry from you. That means I be really respect your relationship. I be not say you be this very loyal person where no man of you cross the streets of Grand Zive where you know attack the person. Me and know that one fine. Wetin happen? See, I go talk as today. If this girl fit come out like this with all this type of energy, that means that na energy where just the talk and the para. Who be you? You too like money, all this type of things, just they downgrade this other girl where they call her Diveshela like that. Now a calculated attempt. Ma tell una something. I feel the beef for social media and the seers, maybe I'll call maybe Mama Talaku, the insult person. Now example. The insult person, I will just put on my head. Even as I be Mama Talaku Pikin, I'll talk on my heart say, hey, you want Mama Talaku the insult person. So the devil go match my toe. I go deal with Mama Talaku very hard. Now something where you don't keep on for your mind. Now just say that part say Diveshela can't call you as a daughter, no be make you to talk about them. You understand? Now something we don't say, something we be inculcated, be calculated. You don't understand me? Then now you just pour her out as an opportunity when they give you on Sunday. Now opportunity when they give you on Sunday, may you express your mind because the thing don't boil you. You don't vex since not be not to them. Because they like say since from the time of that time for grinders. Tope Siara stuff, Tope Siara, then I say no be like the way Diveshela handle the matter for grinders and Tope Siara, understand? Now why that way? Maybe you don't vex and me say don't talk say. How you know go do shit? Don your mother post something? Now your mother although as your mother, see sometimes it be our parents disown we, but since that our parents disown we know. No, come can they cry for public. We will keep them. We will talk for ourselves. Say where we will even try for write our mother or our father. Ask them why you do this type of thing or why to make them. You understand? Even our father no really request or send back our message. You understand me? He no reply at the time when you want am. No give you opportunity to come insult your mother for public. I be very sorry. You ask am say wetin be wrong with your video of last 2 times. Ma say on Saturday before Sunday. Or na so. Or wetin be wrong with your video on Tuesday or Monday, where you see Ndiveshela insult Dubai vloggers them and so on. You don't understand? Ma tell you something. Ndiveshela first diverse with Ayok Haze because Ayok Haze make video. And Ndiveshela go block Ayok Haze for all his social media handles. Ayok Haze talk about him. Hazel Ayok talk about him. You don't understand no? But he no give you that really right. Like if you talk about him, but no really like pound the mortar too hard. Sometimes the be we know. Would he try for taking and shallow? No mean say we no get sense, or no mean say we no nothing we would do, or no mean say we no fit do the right things. When it comes to your family, take for example your personal family, yeah? When some person insults your brother or insults your mommy for road, you go slap that person. In as much as say maybe your mommy na you find palava, then you come back now for house, you talk for your mommy, say you no find palava for house, for aside. When person beat you, I no go be there. And so they do thing there. I be very sorry. If you no fit take her as they so, leave am. So, Dope Sierra, your video for yesterday, couple your video for one a Monday or a Tuesday or so. I really see and say na something where you don't really gather ram to pour her out. No be na something where she done on a Monday morning. You just say may talk anyhow. Because na so me something where I no gather ram to pour her. I no pour her out the way you pour her out like that. Even time where Brenda vex me for Brenda insults me. Just that part of say, nah, she was my mother on social media, no make me to insult her. I no insult Brenda. If you watch my video on that day, I see talk, nobody can do this, nobody can do that, but no ever insult Brenda show. That make me to give you that level of respect for social media. As na weak meter for social media, you understand now? So that's how the palava dey on the wahala. But we take as it dey. As for you, Nje Brenda, Browns Blings, I be very sorry to talk more. You na small hypocrite. I no lie you. You just get for change the way you do your things. No, they do things on the way. You know the way. You go do. You go tire. You go tire for the talk things on one side. Try to dey look into the matter where and make it be on a balanced scale. No, they do hypocrisy. Tomorrow you go, you know, see, now don't say that. I don't say that. I rest my case, my people. If I talk bad, no take am. Say na bad talk, you talk, the girl don't put me, I no put you for my heart. But I talk am as I see am. Okay, oh, no say I did not warn you on this social media street. The street is rugged. The social media street is very rugged, and you get to use your membrane, your medulla oblongata. You get to use them. Your MB, we go the call of our channel na MB. Since as Ndiveshela they use number 6. We na MB medulla oblongata. Yes, I still remember your humble girl, Diamondiki, the girl where they bring una all the best and ever sweet gist. And I analyze them from my own way, my people. We'll see again if I know analyze this matter. We'll see again if I know analyze. Ndiveshela, mommy, you get to calm down. Yeah, Ndiveshela gas calm down because just because of your attitude, ma tell you, it don't make a lot of people to disrespect you. Shouting, talking, insulting, people don't hear and tire. So they are fed up. Bring another strategy. Because I see him as a yoke talk the other day, you go insult and say, ya mommy mbumbo. Same thing way you do for me. Tell mommy where you insult and so the other day. Or whoever go create, the best way to create that fake profile, make the watch out there. Your channel go broke. And then talk say you Rachela. Best way to insult my mother through fake profile. Because that woman is a prayer making machine. She dey pray. She go on her knees and she the way she talk about that person. I'm not sure whether you go fit for rise up, the person go rise up. So you, the Rachela, try to take another strategy. Not the insult people that hard. People don't tire the matter of insults. People don't tire this question of insult. Ya mami las ya wata smelling bombo. What you get down? Ya shiodo open na so vagina day like sorry. V day like sorry. How una see? It makes sense. Mami, think and twice. When person need to talk, but give an example. When person need to talk for inside class, people go take you common because you too talk plenty. But that man when you talk anyhow, people will respect you. The way we fear self will come for your corner. A word to a wise is sufficient. Take it or you leave it. You have been wrong all this while in the community, insulting people, demoralizing, degrading, insulting women anyhow. Your own fellow women, them. Some people they look up to you, expect more. And not talk and not take her like any no hard feelings, but I just give them my own. See, as you don't insult these Dubai vloggers, they all them vex craze onto your head. You don't understand? You don't understand no? That's so it is. Really, that's so it is. You know, get for do that thing. Peace, my people. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, Subscribe to this channel. We'll bring you more gist every weekend. Thank you very much. Love you guys.